Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to delete page in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on top you see menu. So we are going to delete news page. On left side you see page and menu. So click on it. Then you see site pages and menu, and then you see site menu, event pages, blog pages. So this is our news page. Now you see icon, so click on it, and then you see delete. So click on it. Now pop-up open, and then you see delete page and app, and then you see message. When you delete the news page, your Wix blog app will also be deleted. So currently we don't need news page. So click on delete. Now you see news page is deleted and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page. Now you see news page. Refresh the page. Now you see error. Back to website. You don't see any news page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.